Today's song is from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and it's called I Am a Daughter of Light.
I feel the light that my Savior gives me, like 1,000 fireflies. Inside my heart, His love is burning, and I will keep that flame alive. I'm a daughter of light. Darkness may surround me, but I'll shine through the night like a northern star, and I'll point every heart towards my Savior. He is my guide. I am a daughter of light. I'll take this love and magnify the beauty, like a lighthouse by the sea. And like the moon that reflects the sun rays, they will see His love in me. I'm a daughter of light. Darkness may surround me, but I'll shine through the night like a northern star, and I'll point every heart towards my Savior. He is my guide. I am a daughter of light. I'm a daughter of light. Darkness may surround me, but I'll shine through the night like a northern star, and I'll point every heart towards my Savior. He is my guide. I am a daughter of
So now I'm going to teach you the signs so that you can join in singing together this song. So keep in mind that the English lyrics and the ASL lyrics are not the same. The words are going to be in different orders, or maybe a sign needs some more expansion, or the English, there's a lot of English words that equal one sign. Just don't worry, I'll teach you one sign at a time. Okay? I am a daughter of light. So first, I am. I am is signed this way. So pointing at myself means me or I, which you can do if you want to, but this sign means who I am at the core, my inner self, who my true being is. I am. And then we'll do his with an open palm pointed upward. So God is always on the right hand side. So his daughter, and daughter is the sign for girl with your thumbs up, and baby. So girl plus baby equals daughter. And then this is how you sign light. So use your fingers, and you're going to open your fingers really wide. Light. And make sure, I want you to look up at God as you do that, because it's His light that is reflecting in us, right? So light. So let's try it together. I am His daughter of light. I am
I'm a
his
daughter of light. Darkness may surround me.
So darkness is signed with two hands going down in this direction. So think like you can't see, like your hands are blocking your eyes. It's too dark, right? You can't see. So darkness. And you can also think of like the sun setting, right? Darkness. Darkness at night. So darkness. Now, this little person is me or you. Surrounds me. Surrounds me. Makes sense, right? So darkness may surround me. I am a daughter of light. Darkness may surround me, but I'll shine through the night. So this means something like whatever comes, come what may, I will shine. So think of like, imagine it's all dark and the light that shines through the dark and dispels the darkness. So I will shine out, and you're going to start from your chest, go out. I will shine. I shine all night long is what that means, through the night. So think of the sunset. See that this is the horizon and it's showing the sun come down. So all day is going to be above that horizon. All day. And then all night is underneath. Now, it's easier if you just do your full arm like this, but because I'm trying to do it with video, so I have to do it with my arms up like this. But you can just do all through the night, like this, through the night. So whatever comes, I will shine through the night.
Like a northern star.
So we're going to do same. So for like, same, think of like hang loose type of thing. That's right. So your hands are in Y's and you're going to say same. So if you're saying like, Jesus, I want to become like Jesus, that's how you'd say it. So same as the stars. Now this is a fun sign. So point your fingers and you're going to think of like shooting stars, or if you're pointing at the stars in the sky, right? Stars. Stars. Honestly, it's one of my favorite signs. It's really beautiful. So stars. So
like a
the
northern
stars.
star, and I'll point every heart.
So now this phrase is not going to follow English, the English lyrics. The words are going to be a little bit different. So for every, we're going to do your, and heart. And you can sign it this way with a pointer finger. That's just fine. It's easier that way. So you can do heart like this. We're doing your to imply every. So imagine you signing in front of your ward or something. You're all signing this song, and it helps the audience feel that connection, that it touches their soul when you say, all of your hearts, I'm trying to turn towards the Savior. So this is point to or redirect. So think of someone like very focused, tunnel-minded, and we're trying to switch that perspective to the Lord. So every heart, point
towards my Savior.
My. So this is me or I. My is the open. So you, your, he, his, right? So my. Now my favorite sign is this one right here in the song. Savior. And what it means is save person. So when you separate it out, it's save person. So he saves us, right? So if you think of like a slave chained, their hands chained together, they have burdens, and think of breaking those chains. He breaks the chains, and this means person. So save person.
And I'll point every heart
I'll turn to my Savior.
towards my Savior. He is my God.
he. Typically, you can point up, but because we respect God, we do it with a full hand like this. He. My. So he, my God. It's the same hand shape. It's really easy. You just keep your hand like this. He is my God. God. He is my God. And you already know this part. I am a daughter of light. So I think it would be really cool if the last time you do it, so you're doing light, 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 light for each of the verses, right? But the last chorus, you can say, I am his daughter, and then do light, and then do a slow shimmer down. So you're going to do it very slow, not like jazz hands. No, do it slow. Light. I am his daughter of light. So now let's do the song together. We're going to do it the full chorus, but slow. So ready? I am his daughter of light. Darkness may surround me. Come what may, I'll shine through the night, just like a star. I'll point every heart, so you're your heart, point to my Savior. He is my God. I am his daughter of light. So remember to look up to God as you're signing light. And you may notice that when I sign it at the beginning of this video, I do 3 different ways for pointing to God. And really, it's the same concept, same idea, but I'm either inviting them to Christ, I'm redirecting them to Christ, pointing them to Christ, or I invite them to look unto Christ. So this means look, just like your eyes, this shows your eyes looking up, down, all around, right? That's the hand shape. And so you're inviting everyone, come look, it's Christ, it's Jesus, my Savior, right? So my preference is, I just like doing all 3. So you do the chorus, chorus, yeah, there we go. Chorus 3 times, right? So I do it all 3 ways: invite, direct, and look. But it's up to you. So let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. I am his daughter of light. Darkness surrounds me. Whatever comes, I'll shine all night, just like a northern star. And I'll point every heart, point to my Savior. He is my God. I am a daughter of light. Awesome. So ready, start this video again. And you can join in with me doing the song together. I know the timing is a little bit faster, but if you practice, you'll be ready for Girls Camp.